Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today we are comparing two popular options for compact laundry solutions: the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and the Elevon portable washing machine. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and overall performance to help you decide which one is the better choice for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer is priced at $348 United States dollars, while the Elevon portable washing machine comes in at a more budget-friendly $177 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective laundry solution. In terms of washing capacity, the BLACK+DECKER model offers 1.7 cubic feet of space, suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Elevon portable washing machine features a twin-tub design with a total capacity of 28 pounds, allowing for 18 pounds in the washer and 10 pounds in the spinner. This makes the Elevon a more versatile option for larger laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER small portable washer boasts 8 wash cycles and a transparent lid with an LED display, providing users with a modern and user-friendly experience. In contrast, the Elevon portable washing machine features a twin-tub design with a drain pump, making it easier to manage laundry tasks. Each product has unique features that cater to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and the Elevon portable washing machine offer unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER model is ideal for those who prioritize modern features and design, while the Elevon is perfect for budget-conscious users seeking greater capacity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.